Welcome to the HP training video for Expert Copy. We'll be going over each of the options and details that you see on this screen. We will start with the sided options. The first box indicates the sides of your original. The second box indicates the sides you want on your output. Touch within each box to change from one-sided to two-sided. Next, we see original sides. Any size will automatically detect standard size papers without your input. You can also manually choose your original size by tapping inside the box. When selecting mixed letter and legal, you are able to copy a job with both legal and letter size documents. The copier will determine each sheet and copy it onto the proper size paper. The next option is scan mode. You will spend most of your time in standard document. That is the default, so you will not need to change anything if you are copying a standard document. If you tap in the box, you also receive the option Prompt for Additional Pages. This is a copy batch feature. If you have more pages than what will fit in the document feeder, or you want to use both the document feeder and the scan glass for the same job, this feature will prompt you to load additional papers and to select when you have scanned the entire document so it can start the copy process. Book mode will allow you to place the spine of a book directly in the center of the scan glass so that the left side of the glass will see the one side of the book as a separate sheet from the other side. Your output will be two separate sheets, one of each side of the book. Two-sided ID. This will allow you to capture the front and back of an ID card and place it on one sheet of paper. You will follow the prompts to accomplish this. First, you will place the ID in the upper left corner of the scan glass and select Scan. The card will then need to be flipped and scanned again. When both sides have been scanned, you will select Done. The next setting you see is Image Adjustment. In this setting, you will have the option to manually adjust settings for sharpness, darkness, contrast, and background. Optimizing text picture does not typically need to be adjusted. However, if your copy is not coming out how you expect it to, this could be a place to adjust a setting. This feature is asking you the type of your original. You can choose text, mixed, which is a mix of text and printed photo, and that is also the default, printed picture, or photograph. If you have a color device, you will see the color options next. The first option is Auto Color. Auto Color is a great color option. This allows you to put in a document that is a mix of black and white and color pages. The copier will do the work in determining whether to use the black toner or the color toners to create the document pages. The next option is Full Color. Full Color will use the color toner no matter what. Even black will be created using the color toner. Black and gray will use the black toner no matter what. Even color will be printed using the black toner only. Depending on the configuration of your device, you may or may not see the next option, which is staple. You will see your staple options with a visual of what type of staple you will be using for your document. For this example, you'll see upper top left and 2 on the left-hand side, or no staple at all. Reduce and Enlarge gives you two options, automatic and manual. Automatic will take your original size and the size you have selected for output and give you the best fit without distortion. Manual is typically used when you are copying a small original and you want to enlarge it to see it better. That is where you would put in the percentage you want to increase or decrease the image. Lastly, we have Output Paper Selection. This is where you select the paper tray you wish to pull from. Automatically Select will choose a tray based on the original size of your document. You can also manually select the tray you wish to pull from. Remember that tray 1 is the bypass tray, and tray 2 is technically the first main cassette tray. This concludes the HP training video for Expert Copy.